Hello, we are Team HotWheels and today we'll be demonstrating a smart transit solution. So this is the home page of the commuter app. Let's say I want to travel from Marathali to Hebbal. I click on the from search bar and I search Marathali. Once I click on Marathali and I click on find buses, it shows me the list of all the buses that are going to pass through Marathali. Now let's say I want to travel to Hebbal. I search Hebbal. I click on find buses. So it gives me the list of the buses passing through Maruthalli and Hebbal. You can verify it. It gives you the location of the bus on the map. It gives you the route. It gives you the next stop, occupancy. Let's go back and let's say a passenger has boarded the bus. Now, every bus is going to have a unique QR code, which you can scan using the scan button right over here. Upon clicking the scan button, um, you get a scanner, after which you can scan the QR code. Now, it gives you the bus details, it gives the bus number and the bus route. So you click where you're boarding the bus from, let's say Marathali, and then you are going to Hebbal. Now you can even select the number of passengers, after which you have a couple of options. So one option is to pay digitally, which will lead you to an external payment gateway. Also, this app is built for India's economy, so we have also added a cash payment option. So regardless, both the payment options would lead you to the same page. Let's say we click on paid with cash. It will lead you to the bus details page where you can see the location of the bus on the map, the route, and the next stop and its occupancy. Now, this is the page which is exclusive to the passengers who have boarded the bus and scanned the QR code. Now it comes with a couple of extra features, which is one is SOS. It sends you an SOS after a timer of 5 seconds. It sends an SOS to the nearby authorities. There's also a button for lodging complaint, after which you can select the type of complaint and you can just lodge a complaint. Let's click on submit. It gives you a reference ID as well and it acknowledges that your complaint has been submitted. Now it also gives you the up list of upcoming stops and everything. Let's say you're new to the city, this app would be really helpful for you. And this is an extra feature. So this is something which is crowdsourced, where the crowd will report what's the status of the bus, whether it's empty or seats are available or it's standing only. Upon clicking this, you would get something called reward points. You would be awarded reward points, which will be available on the home screen of the app with the history of all the activities done to gain those reward points. Now, these reward points can either be used for ticket discounts or maybe extra vouchers on something, which is purely decided by the government. Now, moving on to the driver's end of the app. Let's say we now every driver will have a unique login. A driver has to enter the driver ID and the password, after which they can log in. Now, once the driver is in the bus will have a unique QR code. The driver has to scan the same QR code. Let's say the driver scans the QR code through the scanner, after which it would give you the bus number, which is the bus ID. And a single bus can travel through multiple routes, so the driver has to select the route that he'll be taking for that specific trip. Now, once he selects the route that he's going to take, he can click on Start Trip. Now, this end of the app is going to share location right to the database, and the database is going to fetch the location and display it in the passenger's end of the app. Now, the driver also has options to report whether the bus is full or he can report a breakdown. So that's pretty much it. Once the driver clicks on end trip, he is still logged in. He can scan any other bus QR and drive that bus for the day as well. So that's pretty much how the passengers and the driver's end of the app works.